Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
To replace a car radio, you must first turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Get your hands on the needles that will let you remove the original radio. Insert them on both sides of the radio in the holes provided for this until they lock into place correctly. Pull on both sides of the needles at the same time to remove the radio. To begin with, remove the antenna cable. To disconnect the double connector lug, press on the locking tabs and pull on the lug. Do not pull on the wires. Remove the metal rack.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Put the rack provided in place with the new radio. Once the rack has been properly placed into its compartment, lock it in place with a flathead screwdriver and pushing down all the metal tabs. It is important to push all of them down so that the rack is perfectly fixed in place. Insert the antenna adapter on the radio, then reconnect the antenna. Do the same with the ISO adapter connector for the power cables and the loudspeakers. Connect the new radio. Finish with the antenna wire. Get all the cables in by pushing downwards as much as possible. Slide the receiver into position, but don't align it fully in place just yet. Turn on the ignition to check that the radio is working correctly before fully fixing it in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.